All right, so here's the deal. What I think. So this thing right now, if pushed, can fall over. Right. I'm not sure what kind of support it has in the back, but I guess it just stands. So what I'm thinking is that the glue inside has dried up. That needs to be cleaned completely so that we can reapply the some new glue. Another thing is that we're gonna have to separate the glass from the wood. Put the glass aside, put the wood on the floor flat, and install the TVs. Once the TVs are installed, then we can put the glass right on it. And let's see, right now it's held by some tape.